alkene homologous series. Alkene homologous series. The general molecular formula is CnH2n. And just as I told you that alkane, the one we did in the last video, that alkane is saturated. Alkane is unsaturated. The functional group present in alkane is double bond. Anywhere you see a compound having double bond between carbon and the carbon, that is what will tell you that it belongs to alkene. Take note of the surface ENA. It is unsaturated. It is known by the presence of double bond as its functional group. Just as we did for alkane, if we want to get the first member, we are going to put n equal to 2. Question will be, what happens to n equal to 1? N equal to 1, which should be methane, does not exist. It is too reactive. It doesn't exist. So the first member of alkane or alkene will be n equal to 2. Meaning anywhere you see n in the formula, put 2 to get the first member. And don't forget that if you have 2 carbon atoms, the prefix remains 8. And now followed by the suffix of the parent. So let's see how it goes. Anywhere we see n, we put 2. C2 H times 2, of which you know that in between 2 and n, it is multiplication sign that is there. So it now becomes C2H. 2 times 2 is what? 4. The name of this thing will be what? It. Because of the 2 carbon atoms. And the surface will be ENE, surface of the parent. ET. And the formula or the structural formula is like this. Two carbon atom and the 4 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm not even interested in the hydrogen, because we are dealing with carbon compound. We are dealing with carbon. So if you obey the rule, hydrogen must be complete. Somebody may say, why didn't I put the structure like this? See, like this. I say, well, for your level in the exam, they may mark it for you, but the normal structure and position of the hydrogen should be like because of the bond angle. But the point is clear that each carbon atom must be surrounded by 4 bonds. Look at this carbon now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this carbon now, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it. So the first member of our alkene homologous series is 18. If you want to get the second member, put n equal to what? 3. The second member, n equal to 3. Anywhere you see n in the formula, you put 3. C3 H2 times 3, which will give you C3H. 2 times 3 is what? 6. And the name is what? Pro P. Don't forget, 3 carbon atoms. Pro. And the surface of the parent, ENA. Now the structure now becomes 1, 2, 3. Anyway, I want to put double bond for now. You can put it until we discuss the how you pack nomenclature for naming of any compound. For now, if you want to put the double bond here, no problem. But when we'll be discussing how you pack nomenclature, you will know the importance of position of a functional group. So you now put your hydrogen accordingly. If you can't hit it, must be complete. Somebody may say, so I didn't put H here. If you try putting any other bond here, it is not what I'm teaching you. This carbon, the bond there is complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you put anyone here, the bond will be 5, which is totally wrong. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So always be mindful of that. If you try to put anything here, it will be 5. This carbon atom will have 5 bonds, which is out of place. It's not what I'm teaching you. Each carbon atom will be surrounded by 4 covalent bonds. That is it. If you want to get the third member, Remember, this is the second member. Once you get the third member, put n equal to 4. Anywhere you see n there, anywhere you see n from the general molecular formula, you put 4. So the thing becomes C4H2 times 4. C4H8. Because 2 times 4 is 8. And now the name is what? Butene. Because 4 carbon atom is but. Structure becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. For now, I told you anywhere you want to put the double bond, you can put it until we get to where you start in the next lecture. You now understand the importance of position of bond. So that is the structure. That is the structure of a butene. But it's supposed to be 2 butene or butene. But until we get to the IUPAC nomenclature, you understand how it goes. Now try this: n equal to 5 to n equal to 10. Draw and name the compound. Don't forget that alkene is unsaturated because of the presence of double bond. And the first member of alkene does not exist because it is too reactive, which means we are now considering n equal to 2 as the first member. That's ethene. Second being propene. Third being butene, and so on and so forth. See you when we do alkene homologous series.